Hey class, I wanted to go over Job Skills 16-4. This is if you're using the AAPC online coding book. So I'm going to go back into the coding book and just show you real quick how to use that. So as we start with the coding book, we want to make sure that we start on the home page and we go to the CPT section of this coding book because that's what section we're currently using. And then as we go through these, this is how you're gonna get to the section you need to go to. So what you're gonna do is go into this, and as the directions say, you're gonna gather your material, find each condition. So we've got right here in big bold which sections we should be in for these. There's only 8 questions. This is fairly simple. So we know an x-ray is radiology. We need to go to the 70,000s to 79,000s. So what we'll do is we'll go straight into here. 70,000 to 79,000, and then we have to read. So in here we're looking for diagnostic radiology procedures, diagnostic ultrasound, radiologic guidance, the breast, the bone joint studies, radiation oncology treatment, and nuclear medicine. So let's go back and read. We've got x-ray of the hand, 4 views. So let's go. I'm with diagnostic radiology or diagnostic imaging procedures. And then let's see if we can find the hand, which is considered part of our upper extremities. So we'll click on that one. And then we just start going through them. We've got the radiology exam of the clavicle, the scapula, the shoulder. We've got several different shoulders, humerus, elbow. Then we go to the next page. And remember, we're looking for the hand. This is the forearm. We've got an infant, we've got a wrist, we've got another wrist, we've got a hand 2 views, hand minimum of 3 views, and then we've got a minimum of 2 views of the fingers. So that's all we have for hands. We know that we're doing 4 views, which means it's over the 3 views. So you can charge this code because we did a minimum of 3 views. So it would be 73130. So we would put that in here, 73130. And just to go over another one with you, let's go through a laboratory. So a lipid panel, I know that that's a laboratory service. A lipid panel is what we is medical term for cholesterol panel. So it checks your cholesterol. So we're going to go into the 80,000s and look for that one. So we'll just go back over here on the left and look for the 80,000s. And there we go. And we've got organ or disease-oriented panels. That sounds promising. It's got the word panel in it. Let's see. So we've got a basic metabolic panel, the general health panel, electrolyte panel. This is a comprehensive metabolic panel. These are the OB. And here's one that says lipid panel. This panel must include the following: cholesterol, the lipoprotein, direct measurement, high density cholesterol, which is your HDL, and triglycerides. So that is what we're needing. So it's 80061. So we would put here 80061. And then that's how you would complete every one of these. So if you're confused on which section one of these are in, just to go through real quick, mammogram would be imaging. This is a CT. This is a long term for CT. So that would be imaging. We've got a graphy. This is a erythrocystography. This is imaging. Bacterial culture would be lab. Bone marrow, blood cells, tissue culture. It's a culture, so it would be a lab. Surgical pathology examination of the gallbladder. So surgical pathology examination of the gallbladder. That one is trying to trick you up. It should be, because it's pathology, it should be under pathology and laboratory. If you have any questions though on any of these, just email me. Thank you.